Dymax Tech Tip: 5 reasons why you shouldn't repackage adhesives and coatings. Is there a product that you aren't able to purchase in the optimal package size that you want? Are you tempted to repackage bulk material into smaller containers, or perhaps consolidate smaller containers into bulk? Here are 5 reasons why repackaging is not such a great idea. Reason number 1, voiding warranty. Reputable companies select their packaging carefully to ensure compatibility with their own materials, protect them from light exposure, and preserve their product's performance properties. Modification, alteration, or repackaging of a branded product or label will automatically void your warranty. Reason number 2, material loss. Significant material loss can occur during the transfer of materials from one container to another, which can lead to unrecoverable scrap material and increase your costs. Reason number 3, change in consistency. Air trap during refilling of syringes or cartridges can lead to inconsistent shot size and bead dispensing. In addition, some repackaging equipment may share the material, causing it to drop in viscosity, or possibly cause polymerization of the material. Reason number 4, health and safety hazard. Repackaging exposes materials to the threat of contamination by both airborne particles and contaminants that may be present in the package itself. Reason number 5, shelf life. When you repackage a light-curable adhesive or coating product, there's a possibility for the material to be exposed to visible light, which may cause some photoreactivity. This would result in partial cure of the product or the initiation of a delayed reaction that may prematurely cure the product in the new package. For more information on light curing technology, visit Dymax.com. For technical assistance, please contact the Dymax Application Engineering team.